In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export data from Browse AI to Excel, and by the end, you'll understand the steps clearly to start leveraging this tool for your business. Plus, stick around because I'll also explain how you can use Browse AI completely for free with our exclusive bonuses. Browse AI is a powerful tool that makes web scraping and data collection easier than ever. With its user-friendly interface, even those with little technical knowledge can extract data from any website. And once you have that data, exporting it to Excel is a straightforward process. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to log into Browse AI and either create a new robot or use an existing one. If you're new to this, robots are essentially scripts you build to scrape specific data from websites. Once your robot is set up and collecting data, the next step is to export that data. To export the data to Excel, navigate to the Data section within Browse AI. This is where all the scraped data is stored. You'll see an option to export your data in different formats, Excel being one of them. It's as simple as clicking the Export button and choosing Excel from the drop-down list. Before you hit Export, ensure you've filtered or selected the data you need. Browse AI allows you to refine your dataset by applying filters or choosing specific columns. This means you can clean up the data before exporting, saving you time in Excel. Once you've selected what you want to export, hit that Export button. Your file will be downloaded instantly in Excel format. Open it up, and you'll see all the data neatly organized in rows and columns, ready for you to analyze, manipulate, or use in your reports. The beauty of Browse AI is that it automates data collection, so you don't have to manually scrape data from multiple websites. By exporting your data to Excel, you can quickly integrate this into your workflow, whether it's for marketing, sales, or business analysis. Now, if you're wondering about costs, here's the exciting part. You can try Browse AI completely for free through the link in the description below, along with our exclusive bonuses. That's right, no upfront cost, just a limited time free trial to explore the full capabilities of this tool. So why is this so valuable for marketers and businesses? Well, once you start automating data collection and exporting to Excel, you can scale your operations, save tons of time, and even unlock new data-driven insights for decision-making. It's a game changer in digital marketing, e-commerce, or any field that relies on data scraping. Make sure you stick around because Browse AI's advanced features, like scheduling, integrations, and automated workflows, can make a huge impact on your productivity and efficiency. Trust me, you'll want to see how it all works together to help you automate data extraction seamlessly. In case you missed it, don't forget that the link below offers an exclusive extended free trial to Browse AI, so you can start exporting your data to Excel and exploring everything this powerful tool can do. This is a limited offer, so grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of Browse AI.